Hey, Stacy. What's this here on the floor? What's that? Whose shoe is that? Is that your shoe? You want to put it on? Can you show Daddy how you put it on your foot? Can you put it on your foot? Can you put it on your foot? So what are you doing? What's going on down there with you, Stacy? Yeah. Who's this here in the chair? Is this your sister? Yeah. Is she asleep? Yeah. You're so nice to your sister, aren't you? No, there you go. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, you're so happy, huh? Yeah. What are you thinking about? Where's Mommy? So what are you doing today? What happened today? Did you get your toe fixed? So what should you have done?
The doctor got my toe.
Does it feel better?
No, well, not yet.
Not yet, okay.
It will.
All right, cool.